Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajullah Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Friend, I will start today's lecture with the Urdu शेर क्या है बागवा हकीर से न दे गुंचों की तरफ आए बागवा हकीर से न दे गुंचों की तरफ न जाने कौन सी कली फख्र चमन होती है. So in light of teacher, all students are same. No one is intelligent. It depends on your hard work. If you do hard work, then you complete your success. So let us start today's topic, heterocyclic chemistry. So in this lecture I will discuss about reaction with electrophile in presence of base. So electrophilic reagent can also attack at either one of the ring nitrogen atom in the mesomeric anion formed by the proton loss. Look at here. This molecule contains NH. After losing H plus, meso anion, nitrogen atom equivalent, and this is in the resonance. And then you see the electrophile either this position or this position. Mixture usually formed if unsymmetrically substituted. So electrophilic attack at ring nitrogens. Ring nitrogen means this nitrogen. Here you see electrophilic acyl group. You see sulfonyl group. So pyridine form unstable addition product, which are a strong acylating agent. So intermediate for benzylation and sulfonations. Benzylations and sulfonations. More stable, particularly good catalyst. You see acylations if it is this nitrogen tertiary is present at para positions. Now look at here. Pyrrole anion form acyl derivative. This is pyrrole anion and this is acyl derivative, easily hydrolyzed. Now NH azole form acyl derivative. This is NH, this is forming acyl derivative, acylating agent. Now reactions of halogen at ring nitrogens and subsequent rearrangements. Imidazoles forms nitrogen then carbon chloro derivative. You see here imidazoles forming N chloro and then C chloro. So there is a difference. See this N chloro derivative and C chloro derivative. Pyridine forms a weak complex. You see this is the complex which. So 2-pyridone forms successive N and then C substituted products. You see N substituted products and then C substituted products. So you start with the C, now attack on this carbon, and again spontaneously it will go here and then attach C carbon, C chlorine, and then spontaneously this remove, and then you see this is the step. So N chlorinated or C chlorinated. Electrophilic attack at nitrogen N oxide and N-imide formations. Pyridines react very readily with peracid, azenes less so. This is azenes and this is your pyridines. Formation of an oxide very easily in presence of peroxide, and it is little bit difficult in comparison to this. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.